Hello students, today we will be learning to create a bill, and we'll be using the formulas and the functions to create the bill. Here I have made a new worksheet and I've named the worksheet as cake bill, and I have the serial number and the items required for making a cake, and I have written the quantity of different items and the price in dirhams per unit. Now, if I have taken three cheese units, and the price of one unit of cheese is 10 dirhams, so I have to calculate the total amount. The total amount will be, we will be getting the total amount by multiplying 10 and 3. So, one unit is for 10 dirhams, so 3 units will be 10 into 3. So we start the formula here in the cell F4. This is my active cell. I begin the formula with the equal to symbol. I click on the cell D4 and the D4 address comes here. To multiply, I press Shift and the 8 key. This star asterisk is the multiplication symbol. Then I click on the next cell E4 and I press the enter key. So I get the final answer 30 here, and in the formula bar you can see the formula equal to D4 into E4. If I have to see the formula here or make the changes, I can double click in the cell and I will see the formula here also. Now again, for the second item, the flour, one unit of flour costs 7 dirhams and I need 2 units of flour. So I will have to do the multiplication again, equal to cell D5 multiplied by the content in cell E5 and press the enter key. So I get the answer 40. There's a shortcut if many items are there where I have to do the same calculation. So for all of them, I have to calculate whatever is in column D with whatever is in column E. So I click on the cell here where the formula has been written. I go here to copy or press Ctrl C on my keyboard. This content is copied, and I click here in the next cell and click the paste button. So now the formula is copied here and the address of the cells changes automatically. Here it has become equal to D6 into E6. This cell is still copied, so I can click here Control V and here Control V and here Control V. And to deselect this selection, I press the escape key on my keyboard, and you will see all the formulas have come here appropriately. This one is multiplying D9 into E9, that is 20. Now, to calculate the total amount of all these items, I have to add the final items from here. So I click here in the cell F10, begin the formula with equal to, and I will use the function sum. The sum function adds all the numbers in a range of cells. And to begin the range of cells, I will use the opening curved bracket, and I have to add the cells from F3. So I click here on the first selection, F4, sorry. So the F4 comes here, and then I press a colon symbol, shift and colon. Colon is next to the L key on the keyboard, and then I click on the last cell. So from F4 to F9, and then press the closing bracket and press the enter key. So it gives the answer equal to sum of whatever is in the cells from F4 to F9. It will add them and the total amount is received here. Now, if I have to calculate the maximum price out of all these items, which item has got the maximum price? So here I will begin with equal to max. Max is the function name which we will be using. It returns the largest value in a set of values. It ignores logical values and text. If some text is written, it will ignore that text. I open the bracket and I have to select the cells from DE4 and I click and drag till E9. So it has automatically added the colon and the last cell's address. I just have to put the closing bracket and press the enter key. So it shows that in this column E, 12 is the highest price. It is the maximum price. Similarly, to get the minimum price equal to min is the function minimum to get the smallest unit, bracket open. I can also type the address if I want. So I can type E4, that it is getting highlighted here, and then colon E9. So it is getting highlighted here also. The blue highlight here shows that this is the range of cells from which I have to calculate the minimum value. I close the bracket and press the enter key and I get the correct answer that 2 is the minimum price among all these items. So we have learned the three functions sum, max and min, and how to do the multiplication formula. Hope you enjoy creating a bill and continue working in Excel. Bye.